You know, every time I walk by my little unicorn, I think, I'm going to fall on that and impale myself on his horn. One day, sooner or later, it's going to happen. So, safety first, everyone. There you go. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm going to continue my tradition of doing this project in no particular order. So today is going to be part one of a two-part series on refurbing stock steel wheels. They're currently kind of black, some of them are a bit rusty. So as I say, I'm going to be doing some sanding down using the wire brush on the grinder. I've also got a small wire brush to go on a drill to get into the little nooks and crannies. I won't be doing any painting today because I've got something ordered that should arrive tomorrow that is going to help me painting without covering the tyres with paint. So step one then, I'm going to get all the wheels off, do everything at once. Let's go. So these are the tools I require for the job. Angle grinder with a couple of wire brushes. Brass, not steel. I don't want to be scratching the wheels. Drill with miniature brass wire wheel. And I do have a brass wire, I don't know what you would call that, but I've got a brass one somewhere, but at the moment that's all I can find. Hopefully I don't need it. Just to get into those little nooks and crannies. Hopefully that one will do the job. A bit of sandpaper, just in case there's some really stubborn bits that these tools won't remove. Masking tape to go around the valves. I don't want to puncture the valves when I'm using all these abrasives. A nice cloth and some Versol paint thinner. It does say best for cleaning brushes and rollers, degreasing automotive and workshop tools, blah blah blah. That'll do the job. Any sort of spirit type fluid will work. Anything that evaporates and doesn't leave grease behind. And of course, safety first. Breathing apparatus. Safety glasses. Okay, let's get a wheel on the bench and get started. Oh, and finally, try and do this in a well-ventilated area. You don't want this dust getting everywhere. At least with the garage door open, it's got somewhere to go. Even if it is snowing. To make life easier, you probably want to prop up the wheel so that you're not leaning over and doing your back in. So let's see if that works. That should do. And one final thing. If you guys have ever used these little guys, you know that they like to fly off and poke you in the face and the arm and the belly. So probably best to wear something old and crappy. So I'm going to take off my lovely Scott Rods hoodie and get to work. And that's as far as I'm going to go with this wheel. And probably all the other wheels will be the same. Depending on how much of a showroom finish you want, then obviously you could spend all day in each wheel. But that should be enough for me. Once I get the primer on to build up any little scratches and then the final coats, it should be fine. Remember, these wheels are like $40 or $50 each to buy brand new, so I wouldn't put too much effort into them. Somewhere down the line I will be changing them for nice alloy wheels, but that could be a while away. So rinse and repeat another 3 times and then they'll be ready for paint. 1936 Chevy Coupe. Snow. 1936 subs. Hey, if you just subbed, you are 1936. Leave a comment, let me know who it was. Three wheels done, the worst one to go. I'm actually looking forward to this one the most because it's the worst. Listen to that rust. The wheel isn't that bad, it's just surface rust, but that's going to take a lot of grinding to get rid of that. Anyway, remember I was talking about these little wires that like to fly off and hit you in the belly? You know what else they like to do? They like to jump into your favourite beverage. I'm lucky I caught this one. Check in there. That was heading for my throat. Glad I caught that in time. Anyway, let's get this last wheel done and that'll be me done for the day. Can't wait till tomorrow when I can paint them. Oh, I love painting. Even if I'm not very good at it, it's gratification when you paint stuff and it goes shiny and hides all the badness. So, as predicted, this wheel is pretty rough. I'm not willing to spend any more time on it. It's much better than it was. And once it's got lots of paint on it, it should flatten the pits out a bit. It's not going to be perfect, but if you were here for perfection, then you're in the wrong place. Right, that'll do me for today. Hopefully the stuff I require to do the painting will arrive reasonably early tomorrow and I can get the painting done. And we'll have nice shiny new wheels. Not new, but hopefully shiny. Right, remember guys, I have started up a new Facebook group called Scott Rods, link in the description. Please head over because I know not everyone's able to upload videos and have their own YouTube channel, but you can certainly post up some pictures of what you're working on. Everyone wants to see. We're all stuck at home anyway, so get that done. And I'll see you tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button and the share and whatever buttons. Click everything. I appreciate it. Okay, take care. See you in the next one. Bye bye.